guys, Swati here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching me for the first time, hi, this is Swati Rastogi and I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, tutorials, beauty and hauls and so on. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, so please make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to subscribe button. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification first. And now let's talk about today's topic. And today I am doing a requested video, how to walk in a sari with high heels. And we all love saris, right? And we all want to rock the saris in high heels. So I will be sharing some tips which I followed, and I hope that it might help you too to walk in high heels wearing a sari. Now before move on to the video, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Now let's start with the video, guys. The most important thing is invest in a good and stable pair of heels that you are comfortable walking in. If you are nervous about walking in high heels, first try block heels or kitten heels. Stick with small, slow steps which will make your walk look more natural and helps you to feel more comfortable. Don't take too wide steps in order to walk fast. Make sure you are comfortable with the base. When wearing heels, put your heel down first, followed by your toe. This will make your walk look more natural. It's all about the posture. Your shoulders should be relaxed and back straight, and tummy part should be in. Walking in a sari is a very easy once you have right length of the sari, so make sure wear the actual heels when draping your sari. One foot should come down directly in front of the other with your toes pointing straight ahead, just like you walk on the ramp. This walk will take a little extra time, practice to be mastered. Take extra care when walking down stairs. Place your entire foot on each step. Always grab the pleats and keep them away, else you might fall or ruin your sari. Keep these things in mind.